Hello friends, here is Manisha Tripathi. My channel name is Learn More Knowledge with Manisha. In this video, we are going to discuss about some questions which is related to the Pacific Ocean. Yes, which is related to the Pacific Ocean. So, without wasting time, please first subscribe my channel and let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Which is the largest and deepest ocean in the world? Your options: A. Pacific Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. None of the above. Your right answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 2. Which of the following ocean is located in the north of Pacific Ocean? Your options: A. Arctic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. South Pacific, D. None of the above. Your right answer is Arctic Ocean. Question number 3. What is the total surface area of Pacific Ocean? Your options: A. 155 lakh 250,000 km square, B. 175 lakh 250,000 km square, C. 165 lakh 250,000 km square, D. None of the above. Your right answer is C. 165 lakh 250,000 km square. Question number 4. Which of the following is ocean subdivided into two parts, Southern and Northern Ocean? Your options: A. Indian, B. Pacific, C. Arctic, D. None of the above. Your right answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 5. Which is the third deepest point on Earth that is also located in Mariana Trench? Your options: A. Serena Deep, B. Challenger Deep, C. Horizon Deep, D. None of the above. Right answer is Serena Deep. Question number 6. Which of the following seas are located in Western Pacific? Your options: A. South China Sea, B. Sea of Japan, C. Philippine Sea, D. All of the above. Your right answer is all of the above. Question number 7. What is the meaning of the word Pacific? Your options: A. Peaceful, B. Silent, C. Crowded, D. None of the above. Your right answer is peaceful. Question number 8. Name the explorer who discovered the Pacific Ocean. Your options: A. Vasco Barbo, B. Ferdinand Magellan, C. Vasco da Gama, D. None of the above. Your right answer is Ferdinand Magellan. Question number 9. Who led expedition into Indian Ocean from 1404 to 1433? Your options: A. Jing, B. Zufu, C. Antonio, D. None of the above. Your right answer is Jing. Question number 10. Who called the Pacific Ocean Pacifico in 1520? Your options: A. Cheng, B. Ferdinand Magellan, C. Vasco da Gama, D. Kung Fu. Your right answer is B. Ferdinand Magellan. Question number 11. Whose strait connects the Pacific Ocean with Arctic Ocean to the north? Your options: A. Bering Strait, B. Strait of Magellan, C. Drake Passage, D. None of the above. Your right answer is Bering Strait. Question number 12. The Indonesian Sea will join the ocean to Indian Oceans. Your options: A. Atlantic, B. Pacific, C. Arctic, D. Indian. Right answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 13. The dash is stretching from Hawaii in north to New Zealand in south. Your options: A. Micronesia, B. Polynesia, C. Indonesia. D. Melanesia. Your right answer is Polynesia. Question number 14. The Pacific Ocean was first mapped by your options: A. Vasco D, B. Antonia, C. Ferdinand Magellan, D. Abraham Ortelius. Your right answer is D. Abraham Ortelius. Question number 15. Which of the following is connecting the Pacific Ocean to Arctic Ocean? Your options: A. Malacca Strait, B. Parker Strait, C. Bering Strait, D. None of the above. Your right answer is Bering Strait. Question number 16. How many islands are located there in the Pacific Ocean? Your options: A. 35,000, B. 25,000, C. 15,000, D. 5,000. Your right answer is 25,000. Question number 17. Which of the following oceans holds almost 50% of total water on the planet? Your options: A. Indian Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. None of the above. Your right answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 18. Which of the following ocean has most coral reefs? Your options: A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Arctic Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. None of the above. Right answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 19. Close warm current is located in these oceans. Your options: A. Indian Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Atlantic Ocean. Your right answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 20. Which of the following is the biggest sea located in Pacific Ocean? Your options: A. Australian Mediterranean Sea, B. Philippine Sea, C. Coral Sea, D. South China Sea. Right answer is Australian Mediterranean Sea.